putting snow chains on your Ranger, we've made it easy. We've designed loads of clearance here so you can get your chains in, on and around and get onto the snow as soon as possible.
So when fitting chains to your Ranger, it's very, very important to make sure when you take them out of your car that they're unravelled and untangled. Roll them out behind the tyre, bring them up, connect and put down behind the tyre. Bring the chain around, you've got a hook those together. You will get dirty, so sometimes it's good to get your mate to come out and do this instead of yourself. Next, we've got to tension the chain around the tyre. So we have this connection here, runs up through, connect up, then run back through the loop, pull, and then connect. After you've put the chains on the tyre, it's very, very important to make sure you retension them. Drive forwards for about 20 metres at a very, very moderate speed. Come back to your tensioner, tighten them up again, and then drive off. Make sure when you do drive with chains on, if you do hear any noise, always stop and check and retension. Safe driving on the snow.